Okay, smile. Show us your smile. Ready? Smile, Caleb. There it is. Yeah. Good smile. Can you show us your apple? Where's your apple? Can you say apple? Can you say apple? Can you say apple? You said it twice earlier. Hey. Caleb. Buddy. Where are you off to? Whoa.
Caleb, what do you have?
Can you tell mommy what that is?
Caleb, I'm right here. Caleb, what's that? What's that? What is it?
Dada.
Dada?
I am Dada. You're right. Thank you.
Is that an apple? I wonder if that was purposeful.
I don't know. It was pretty clear.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Calebito.
And to point to you?
Caleb, I know. He was pointing right at my leg and he said, Dada. Calebito. Hey.
Hey, Caleb. Caleby. Caleby. Hey, Caleb.
What you doing there?
He's trying to get his apple.
I don't know. He's making it a lot harder than it has to be, though.
Caleb. What's that? What's that? What is that? Is that an apple? Apple? Who's that? Who's that?
Hi, who am I? What's my name?
Is that Dada? Who's that?